Hey guys, it's Jenny with the Artistry, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this air dry clay. The ingredients I'm about to show you will make you about this much clay, which is about a cup and a half. So if you need to make more, you can double the measurements or triple them as needed. Just a couple quick tips. Get all your ingredients out first. That way you don't have to be reaching into your cabinets with sticky fingers, and be prepared to get your hands dirty. This is a messy process. So pour in your warm water first. There's just some warm water from the sink. Don't need a whole lot. And then put your toilet paper in. Make sure the toilet paper is completely soaked. Need a tiny bit more water. Want to make sure it's completely soaked. Then you're going to squeeze out all the water. And then you're just going to dump the excess water. So I dumped the excess water, and you want to take your wad of wet toilet paper and just start breaking it up into small pieces. So once you have that in small pieces, you pour in your glue. And you just start mixing the toilet paper with the glue and keep kind of breaking up the toilet paper. Kind of squeeze it through your fingers, that kind of breaks it up. Just kind of break apart some of the bigger pieces. Okay. Then add your cornstarch. And now start mixing that together. Add just a little lemon juice. And a tablespoon of olive oil. Just keep mixing that together. You're going to have to mix this for a while, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, until you can get it to the right consistency. My clay feels a little dry, so I'm just going to add a little bit of glue to it. And that's how you make your clay. If you have clay left over, you can keep it to use for another time. Just place it in a plastic bag, put a tiny bit of oil in there, maybe a teaspoon or maybe more if you have more clay left over. Squeeze out all the air from the bag, seal it, and keep it somewhere dark, like in a dark cabinet. That will keep it moist. And if it does get a little dried out, then just add a little bit of oil or water and that will moisten the clay right back up. Here are a few things I made from the clay. If you'd like to see me make these items, please message me. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe.